A few pieces of aluminum tubing are all that's needed to relieve tension in the neck and upper back caused by headaches and injuries. A padded belt does the work of supporting the bars and adjusting the amount of tension needed. Its Velcro exterior gives a one-size-for-all fit. The sides, also of Velcro, lift off for placement of the upright bars. The higher up the belt is placed, the more tension there will be, from 5 to 40 pounds. A halter is then placed around the head and chin with the final bar. It takes just a few minutes to make this equipment into a functional traction unit. Because neck and back injuries are so difficult to treat, a patient is frequently forced to lie on a bed or sit in a chair in traction to relieve muscle spasms in the neck and shoulders. This unit gives mobility.
With this device, the patient can still maintain the traction that's required and yet can continue with their normal, almost normal everyday activities, housework. The person who has an office job or working, it's rather difficult for manual labor, of course, but a person can drive with this device on and during this entire time maintain the type traction that is felt to be beneficial to this type injury with a neck injury or tension headache and so forth.
For people who suffer with severe neck and headache pain, the mobile traction unit is invaluable. Malcolm Alwood tried conventional traction, medication, and therapy after his collision with a tractor-trailer last May. And it wasn't until he tried the mobile unit that he became pain-free. If it weren't for other injuries, Malcolm would have been back to work delivering milk in a week. But he's happy to be up and around and able to drive. It's still a problem getting into a car, but Dr. Baker says they plan to make an adjustable hood that can be lowered easily. And Malcolm says it's so comfortable driving with the unit that it almost rocks him to sleep. Dr. Baker says the mobile traction is not a cure, nor does it replace conventional treatments of neck injuries. It is for people who need and want to remain active.